In this week's Fusion 360 tutorial for beginners, brought to you by the Maker Letters, you will learn how to edit a model by editing the sketch. The first thing I want you to do is to turn your sketch on. Right-click and select Edit Sketch. In this Fusion 360 demonstration, you will edit both the shape and the sketch dimensions. Use the fillet tool to soften round corners. Double-click the dimension and type your desired number. Hit Finish Sketch when you're done. You now know the basics of sketch editing. Hit subscribe and see you next week.